Today is June 11th. It's Monday. It is 11:05 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you guys saw my watch list video from yesterday, I know a lot of things. I don't know if I think I mentioned it. A lot of things ended bullish last Friday, which is why I did have a bullish outlook on some targets and charts that I was looking at yesterday on the watch list. But as we all see today, market did a complete 180. In my opinion, some of these things are looking like TTOs on the daily time frame. Like if we look at SPY, it just came back down to test this level right here. It's holding up so far, but I think that did trigger the 3-1-2 week. If we check the week right here, no, we're still, we're 2-1-1. All right, so we're double inside week. So something to keep in mind. We are green. So this video right here is going to be a live trade. So what I'm looking at right now is that I'm looking at the 5. This is the 15 right here, and this is the hour, right? We went 2-1. We went 2-1-1-2-2. So that was double inside bars coming off of it was a 2-up coming off of these 2 double inside bars on the hour, right? And if we are going to push, I have about 387.96 as our high target on the hour, and then we are looking at this 15 looking like a TTO, testing one of these levels right here that we have breaking above previous price action from earlier in the day, right? So earlier today in the Discord, I said, what did I say? I said not seeing a ton of our opportunities to chase this short action. I want to see some TTOs to the upside and see how that goes, right? So down here, this did not look appealing at all. We were coming off of a Browning formation from the 15-minute time frame as well. We see that, right? So not the best RR if you want to chase that. However, we are getting our TTO to the upside if that's what this is. All right, so that's what I'm looking at right now. We're either looking at a TTO to the upside and we're coming right back down, which would validate this shooter on the hour, right? We have a 2-2 shooter on the hour. So if this shooter, if this new hour at 11:30 goes 2-2 down, reversal, we're definitely probably gonna shoot back down to about 385. Right? Let's be conservative and take like these targets right here, open and close. 385.07 would be one of my first targets if we do break below 385.8. Basically, if we go 2-2 shooter, that would be my first target, and then probably just see how low it's gonna go. But if this is not gonna be a TTO, if this is going to be a TTO on the upside movement, then we would take this thing right back up above 386 and take it up to 387. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Either this is going to be a 2-2 reversal right here on the hour, or it's going to be a TTO on these lower time frames right here, and it is going to shoot right back up. So now I'm just waiting for this to play out. It's looking like possibly not a TTO and more of a reversal, but we still have 20 minutes for this new hour flip to come. So we're not gonna predict. We're just gonna react. If we do see the 30-minute, we do have a 2-2 reversal right here coming off a shooter. So that actually kind of looks a little more bearish to me than I look at it. So 385, I think I might just run these puts real quick just because, I'm seeing this little setup right here on the 30. So we're going to run some 385 puts. First target, 385.09. So let's get this out. I'll wait for this for a new 5 maybe to play out. Damn, I'm kind of late to the party here, but we'll see. All right, the 385 0 DTEs are at 0.6 right now. Damn, and this thing's already playing out to our first target. Unfortunately, I'm probably missing this play right here. We might try to stretch out a little bit more out of this, though. But yeah, I wish I saw this 30 minutes sooner. I didn't see this 30 minutes to right now. This right here, 30. So I probably would have entered off that, to be honest, once I saw it break below 385. But say la vie, man. What can we do? So yeah, that is that. We'll see if this is going to be a 2-2 reversal on the hour in about 20 minutes. Um, I don't want to make this a 30-minute video though, so I might check back in with you guys in just a bit, and then we will see what things are looking like. I'll check back in at 11:30 on the new hour. All right, so see you on a bit. Uh, I've totally forgot about I was making a video. It's 12:01 now. But when we did get that new hour flip, we got our 2-2 reversal right here. Boom, right here. So I remember I was telling you guys our hour is coming off a shooter. And we're going to see this next two come down, fill our target down to like 384.7. Yeah, pretty much ended up doing that. I did trade this, but I was so caught up in actually making my trades and because I almost got stopped out right here, but I actually added to the position when we got this little. It was right here. So I got in on this candle, and we immediately reversed. So the contracts were at like 290, and then they went to where they go to 2.7, I think. So it really wasn't that bad. Not even close to 20% stop or whatever. And then this thing, our next candle, I thought it was going outside on the 5, so I added to that, and we ended up just breaking right back down. But what really kept me in the trade was the hour and the 30-minute confirming what these lower time frames were kind of presenting. I mean, the overall movement that I was expecting was based off of the higher time frame, which was the hour and the 30 right here. Pretty easy to see which levels we taking out. Like we literally just took out 1, 2, 3, and now we may come down and take out our fourth target at 384.24. But I'm already out of this trade. But yeah, our fourth target would be 384.24. Man, I can't talk. But yeah, things kind of played out exactly what we were looking it to do. Was not a TTO, ended up just being a reversal. And just something to keep in mind too, today's movement is all stuck inside of our first hourly candle. All right, so let's look at our hourly candle. If my computer stops lagging. Come on, bro. All right, hourly candle right here. If you see, we are just stuck all inside of the high and low of our first hourly candle of the day. So this is all just chop. Just straight up chop. But we're still able to play some of these setups that we are being presented with. And now we actually just hit our third target, which was 384.24. I wouldn't try to drag this out too much more. But yeah, I kind of cut this a little short. But whatever, it's all good. If we are going to keep going, let's look at this 15. Shoot, may come down to 383. Who knows? But yeah, I'm already out of this trade. Took that, and I got stopped out in profit off of like this bar right here. This shit right here. So it's all good. That was somewhat of a live trade, I guess, right? So you guys can kind of see how I analyze these time frame flips based off of, you know, the type of price action and candles that we are being presented with, right? So just be patient. Let the setups come to you. Know what you're looking at. Know how to play them. That's also why I did not play the 0 DTEs. I was more comfortable with tomorrow's expiration because if I was in the 0 DTEs, this movement right here would have wrecked me so really badly. Whereas this movement made the contracts go from 2.9 to 2.7, 2.68, I think. And that really wasn't that bad. It was only $20, which is about, it was a little under 10%. So I was still willing to take this thing. If it came back up to 385, I would have added more. But we shot right back down, and that is how this play just went. So yeah, you guys saw, you know, how we kind of analyze it before it happens, and then we wait for our triggers to to show out, and then boom, we play those, and things worked in our favor today, even on a choppy day. But all right, you guys, I will catch you on the next video. Hopefully that helped out. Please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and click the link in the bio if you want to schedule any type of one-on-one, or you just want to join the free Discord. That's cool too. All right, y'all. We'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.